Hi guys, let's talk about some important stuff like how to plan a cross-country road trip with a zero-emission vehicle like a Tesla. At the end of the video, I'm going to show you the exact cost and stops where you can charge for $0, even if you don't have free unlimited supercharging. So here is the info as I promised it to you guys. Go to tesla.com and at the destination charging locations you can map out your entire trip. The number of destination chargers are constantly growing and they are widely available in the entire country. Here is a tip. You should look for available to public self-park under the charging information. Keep in mind it will be an overnight charging spot, so you may arrange your accommodation nearby or in the car. Free charging comes with free air conditioning all night long with the camp mode. You may get lucky if it says available to public C front desk. We used those on multiple occasions, no problem. You should avoid available for customers C valet unless you plan to stay in that hotel. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you have any questions, ask in comments. Like and subscribe, and happy charging!